What is going on, guys? In this video I'm going to be talking to you guys about a stock called ATVK, which stands for Ameritek Ventures. I'm going to be discussing why I think this stock could be a huge runner in the coming week ahead. So first and foremost, let's get right into the stock. Let's get right into the due diligence, why you and I should invest in this stock. First and foremost, as you can see, pink market status is inevitable. I'm going to go on the ATVK Twitter page, and as you can see over here, ATVK, the OTC market, stated that the lawyer's letter needs exact upload dates of the amended filings before we can get pink current. The letter will be uploaded today. So that tweet was on the 23rd of December. It's now the 3rd of January, so it's very likely that in the coming week, ATVK stock will get pink market status. Now, what exactly is it? So what it is basically the lowest and most speculative tier of the three marketplaces for the trading of the over-the-counter stocks. And I'm going to be showing you a stock that you may know about if you are interested in a lot of penny stocks, and it's called Corporate Universe. This is another stock that I've invested in, and as you can see, there was a huge spike of over 400, approximately 400, well over 300% from here on the 24th of December to the 28th of December. It rose massively. Why? Because it reached that status. It reached pink market status. So again, the original price was at 0.08. What's the current price of ATVK? 0.09. So they're at similar prices, low, very low value penny stock, and they could see very similar growth upon getting pink market status. So that is one of the huge catalysts that is incoming. And as you saw on the Twitter page of ATVK, there is evidence that it will be coming very soon. It is pending, and it's very likely to happen this coming week. So that could see some huge growth, and it could be a very quick swing play for you guys, where you can put in £500 or £300 or whatever and get some very quick profits, because that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. Now then, the next thing, as you saw, the lawyer letter was filed on the 23rd. And following this, once pink market status comes, PRs will start to follow, because the lawyer letter is being filed and pink market status has been achieved. So once this happens, PRs will start to come through, and you know exactly what happens to a penny stock when there's a PR. It rockets. So there's a very high chance that this could happen. Now, these are two of the big catalysts that are incoming. Another thing that you guys should know about this company is that previously it used to manufacture machinery for optical fibers, but now it's simply a shell company, and it could be used, it's very likely to be merged with some other companies that the CEO owns. So first and foremost, the CEO is called Shaun Passley. He owns various multi-million-dollar companies such as ZenaPAY, which is in the cryptocurrency sector, and the AI drone sector. Now, this is a very hot sector right now. I hope all of you guys invested in the ALPP stock previously, which is Alpine 4 Technologies. And as you can see, it saw some huge growth from 2.45 all the way to above 4. Okay, so that saw some huge growth. And what's the common ground? They're both in the drone industry. So let's click on this article over here. ZenaPAY, as you can see, they beta tested some drone mapping and plant tracking solutions in Ireland, and the beta test was a success. So ZenaPAY signed up additional customers. So what basically the reason for using drones in farming is because it helps to increase yields whilst reducing costs and environmental impact. So for example, using drones to fly over crops, they can check damage to plants after a storm, assess crop progress, identify areas that are being over or under fertilized, for example. So there's a lot of use for AI drones in farming. And as you can see, it was a huge success, the beta tests, and there will continue to be more and more orders for ZenaPAY, which again, like I said, it could be merged with ATVK or various other companies. So there's also other companies that are owned by the CEO. Shaun Passley is Ditto Mask, which is a mask manufacturer, and as you know, it's a hot COVID stock because companies that manufactured masks, sales were booming and they made a lot of money. Another one is Jadian Inc, which has over approximately 12 million revenue. Again, all of these could be merged under one ticker symbol, for example, or they could be use ATVK as a holding company. So all of these are hot sectors right now, and emerging with ATVK could be massive. So like I say, here are the catalysts. Pink market status could see some huge rises, just like corporate universe. PRs are likely to come through now once pink status is achieved, as the lawyer letter has been filed. And the third catalyst is potentially once Shaun Passley tells us exactly what he's doing with the company. And again, he's a very successful CEO with various multi-million-dollar companies. Again, it could see skyrocketing, because we know, yes, there's going to be a merger, and as you know, mergers will cause huge rise in the share price. So just a little bit more about the stock. It's going to be a small float of 200 million shares, 290 million shares, with a maximum of 430 million authorized shares. He's already stated via Twitter that there will be no reverse split, and I'm going to show you evidence of that here. Where is it? So split, enter here. No reverse stock splits currently. No need to raise the authorized shares. So they've already said that via Twitter there will be no reverse stock splits. So that is again excellent. So here is basically our due diligence. As you can see, ATVK, I do believe it's a great stock, and I think it will be a huge runner in the coming few days. Thank you guys for listening, and please, if you did enjoy this video, leave a like, comment, and tell me if you are buying this stock, what are the penny stocks you're interested in looking at. And again, if you did enjoy, think about subscribing, because there will be more due diligence videos lit very soon for you guys. Cheers.